Sofia Nicole Arcangel, your Miss International Queen Philippines 2024.
Congratulations, Miss International Queen Philippines 2024!
Thank you po, Mama Ten. Maraming salamat po.
Probably you're in the cloud nine right now.
Yeah.
Kamusta ang feeling?
It feels really overwhelming from last year and I came back now. I really enjoy this journey and I have my full preparation towards this crown. So worth it po talaga lahat. Kaya talagang isa lang masasabi ko, mapag-determined ka po talagang kunin yung crown. Paghihirapan mo po.
You cried a lot kanina because last year nga, di ba, we saw you striving.
Ayun nga po, ang daming pong sumuport po sa akin. Yun po yung nagbigay sa akin ng lakas ng loob para po magbalik at galingan po, husayan para po sa kanila yun.
What's your promise to the Filipino people? Ano ang iyo mga pangako para makuha muli natin ang corona? Because physically and mentally, you are very prepared.
With all humility po, I'm willing to grow and to learn more so I could be able to represent our country beautifully. And I want to make our Filipino citizen proud. So not just that, I also want to champion causes for our trans sisters in our community.
May mga tao ka siguro na gustong pasalamatan sa tagumpay sa pangalawang paglaban para sa Miss International Queen.
Of course po, Mama Ten, gusto ko pong pasalamatan ng pamilya ko po, mga friends ko po, at lahat po na sumusuporta po sa akin. Lalong-lalo na po ang Regional Director and Franchise Owner po, Sir Wayne and Mama Christine. And of course po kay Mami Michelle, Sir Te, and buong bumubuo po ng MIQ Philippines Organization sa tiwala po na binigay po sa akin ngayon.